delicious.
Hello dear Sicily lovers! I'm so happy because I'm with Maria, my dear friend Maria.
Thank you, thank you.
In her beautiful country house, in her beautiful garden, under a beautiful fig tree.
Yes, yes, he like very much figs.
I love figs. And,
Yes.
and today we are gonna pick some tasty Sicilian figs.
Yes, yes,
Maria, can you show our friends your amazing figs?
yes. Very sweet. Gianca, vedi sto banana.
Oh, thank you, Maria. A Sicilian basket. So we start the harvest.
Yes.
Okay. Let's start. One of my favorite trees, a beautiful fig tree, and some fruits are ripe, so I look forward to enjoying it. Delicious. Another beautiful green fig. And now we look for some dark figs. We call it beefari in Sicilian. So let's try to find some beefari. And finally, I found a bifaro, a dark fig. And as you can see, this is a dark fig, a bifaro. I think this basket is enough. Let's go. Sicilian green figs with Sicilian pecorino cheese. A unique combination.